students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by DO. Then we have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So let's say first draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Let's say this is a quadrilateral ABCD. So this is side A, this from here is side B, this from here is side C, and this from here is side D. So here we are considering that ABCD is a quadrilateral where AC and BD are its diagonal. Let's say this is the diagonal AC and this is the diagonal BD, and O is the midpoint of the diagonal. Basically these two lines intersect at O, and we are also given that AO divided by the BO is equals to CO divided by the DO. So here we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is what we need to prove from here. So here this is our quadrilateral. Let's say we are considering, let's draw a line EF which is parallel to AB and passing through the point O. So let's say this is the line EF which is passing through the point O and is parallel to AB, and we can say that DC. So this is the line which is parallel to AB. So we can say that now in order to prove that so to start proof, here we are given that AO divided by BO is equals to CO divided by the DO. Let's say this is the equation number 1. Or we can also write this as AO divided by the CO is equals to BO divided by DO. So this is the equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. Now we are considering triangle ADB. Let's see in the graph figure. So this is the triangle A, D and B. So this is the triangle ADB. This is A, this is the point D and B. So we are considering this triangle, this is ADB. So in triangle ADB, EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB because EF is parallel to AB. If EF is parallel to AB, EO is the half of EF, so EO must be parallel to AB. And we know that if line drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then it divide the other two sides in the same ratio, which means EO is drawn parallel to AB and EO is intersecting the two sides, that is AD and AC. So we can say that the ratio which is the ratio that is AE divided by DE is equals to AO divided by CO. So AE divided by DE is equals to BO divided by DO. So this is what we are having, and we are also given that AO divided by, from equation 1 we can say that from equation 1 we have AO divided by the CO is equals to BO divided by DO. So we can replace BO DO by AO CO. So AE divided by the DE is equals to AO divided by the CO. This is what we are having. Now we are considering triangle ABC. So in triangle, so here basically we are having AE divided by DE is equals to AO divided by CO. This is the equation number 2. And now we are considering triangle AD and C. So triangle AD and C what we are considering, and from equation number 2 we are having that AE divided by the DE is equals to AO divided by CO. So from here we can say that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, which means the line the line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, which means EO is dividing the triangle in the same ratio, then we can say that EO is parallel to DC. So EO from here is parallel to DC. And we know that EO is parallel to DC, but we also know that EO is parallel to AB. If EO is parallel to DC and it is also parallel to AB, then we can say that EO is parallel to AB and parallel to DC, which means that AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC, so one pair of a opposite side of a quadrilateral ABCD are parallel. If one pair of the opposite side of a quadrilateral are parallel, so we can say that this quadrilateral is a trapezium. So we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is the answer to the given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of triangles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.